Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Elos Premium Tapioca Pearls. Gonna make some Tapioca Pearls or bubbles or boba, but I'm gonna use some other stuff to put in my drink. So I want this to be in my like bubbly or sparkling water. So here it is. There's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There's the back. If you guys want to read it, there's the instructions there. So alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, here it is. If you guys want to see what they look like, these tapioca pearls work pretty well in the Instant Pot. You don't need a lot of time, very little time, probably like 30 seconds to a minute to make this. So, and they taste really good.